How to use data loader in Salesforce. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how it works. So first, to actually get started, you need to download the data loader from Salesforce. It's not going to be within the system itself. You will need to actually individually download the platform. So just go and go to your browser, type in Salesforce data loader. And if you look it up, you should be able to find it as the first option here. Just click on this and click on download the latest release. From there, you can just go to your desktop, create a folder named data loader if you want to, and you can just go ahead and add the file that you download in here. Just extract it and use the install.bat option. It's going to be very simple. Just type in yes 3 times and you should be good to go. So once you actually run your data loader, it's going to look something like this when you first start it. And you simply are going to be able to use it from this little box here. Now, obviously, data loader is going to help you import a lot of data. I believe over 50,000 records at once. So now we're just going to be needing a CSV file to upload in here. So the format of the CSV file is going to be like this. You're going to have these columns and you just want to fill them out. Now, I need to note that each column should be named specifically as the Salesforce field name is going to be. It basically should match the field name from Salesforce in here just to make things easier. I have here name, phone, website, billing street, billing city, state, industry, and test column. Now up to industry is pretty much going to match what Salesforce has. But then I also added this test column just to show you what happens if the name is not matching with Salesforce field names. It's still going to work, you just need to map it. This is the only difference. Speaking of, how do you actually get to find these field names? Go to your Salesforce account and just go ahead and open up the gear icon here from the top right and click on Setup. Now just go and select the Object Manager and click on Account. From here, just go ahead and click on Fields and Relationships and you're going to find all the different field names. The one that we will be using for our CSV file is going to be the field name, not the field label. So completely forget about the field label, we just want the field names here. So now if we have our CSV file ready to go, we can just go ahead and get started by importing them to data loader. You can just go ahead and open it up and click on inserts if it's new, update if you just already have an existing record, you just want to update it, and upsert is going to be more like a smart option that either creates a new one or updates if it already exists basically. So click on insert, and if it's your first time, you will be required to log into your Salesforce account. You just want to select the environment and click on login. Next up, you just want to click on browse with the CSV file option and basically just go ahead and select the CSV file that you have. Go ahead and click on next. And now here comes the mapping part. As you can see, it's almost automatic with the rest of them, but we have test column here, which doesn't actually have an actual field name from Salesforce. So we just want to create or edit a map. Next up, to map things manually, you simply just want to find the field, the actual field from Salesforce, and go ahead and drag and drop it to the other field that you have in your CSV file. For example, let's say test column is an annual revenue field. So I'm just going to drag the annual revenue and drop it on top of test column. And as you can see now, it's actually mapped to that. And click on save mapping, and you just want to save it wherever you want. And by the way, saving really helps you not have to do this step over and over again if you have a same styled CSV file every single time. Lastly, just go and click on OK once you're done and click on next. Go and select a results folder and click on finish. And now for me, once I'm actually done here, it's going to be full of errors and it's not actually going to insert anything. Reason being is that the values that I had within the test column were not numbers, and the field that I set it to be was annual revenue. So it's actually going to give you errors. This is why. As you can see here, if you click on view errors, you're going to be able to see everything is in place except for the back end here, the annual revenue invalid number. So it's not going to be working. So you'll need to adjust each field to be suitable for that specific field. If it's a number, it should be actually a number. Otherwise, if everything else is successful, you're going to have however many successful inserts, and you can just click on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. And now whatever data you actually did insert is going to show up on your Salesforce right away, quite immediately. So you can just go to accounts here, check them, just make sure you select all accounts and you should be able to find all of them in here with all the other data as well. So this is pretty much how to use Data Loader for Salesforce. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.